Welcome to MODELYZR. In this video, we'll show you how to unlock market potential beyond your CRM using the Mining Meister, a powerful tool that helps you identify, filter, and prioritize high-potential target groups by combining your internal data with external insights. Our journey begins with a complete market overview. From there, we'll assess untapped potential and strategically segment high-potential groups. Finally, we'll fine-tune the target list and prepare it for seamless export. Right from the start, the dashboard gives you instant visibility into your selected market. These insights update in real time as you apply filters. For example, we'll focus on the German market now. Notice how the numbers adapt immediately, giving you a live, accurate view. Next, we look at your CRM coverage. This view shows how many companies are already in your CRM and how many are still unknown. Clicking the tile opens a pre-built report in the Analysis tab that breaks down your target list and highlights untapped opportunities. Here, we adjust our view by adding the potential measure to understand where value is being left on the table. By sorting the data and filtering for accounts not in your CRM, we can instantly identify industries with the highest unaddressed potential and drill down further to enhance visibility. Going forward, we will be looking at the top 2 industries with the highest potential. Now we switch to the target list view to see the exact companies in our selection. The list can be enriched with key details like account executive assignment and the potential of the group. To prioritize, we sort by potential, helping you focus on the most promising accounts first. And just like that, your target list is ready and you can save it as bookmark to share or use for future analysis. You can also save it as Excel file to further inspect your list. So with MODELYZR, you don't just see the market, you see what is missing and how to capture it.